Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is the Wednesday edition. So this morning I was having a look at the news and we can see here it does say Thursday, but for me that's in very early in the morning. We have Fed Chair Powell speaks. This is all regarding the FOMC coming up early in the morning tomorrow. FOMC, if you don't know, is the USD interest rate decision, so it's a pretty high impact news. Same with the CAD BOC rate statement. So that basically means that any USD or CAD crosses are pretty much out for trading for the next couple of days. So just wanted to give you a heads up on that. Let's have a look at our system. So I've added into today's news. It's really Thursday's news, but these they sort of roll over in the same day for me, so they're out for us. So let's have a look at our open positions. We had AUD CHF, and I believe that one came back and closed at break even, so we are out of that trade now for good. So that one's done. Get rid of that. AUD NZD is not going well. This is the first one we're really taking a loss on. As you can see, we are in a negative. Prices come back. It's come over our baseline. It's going to cross over that in a few minutes. I'm counting that as a full loss. You can also see here my C1 has cut back over into short territory. So we're just going to take that on the chin and move on. So that one's done. It leaves the New Zealand CAD. Again, CAD has got news coming up, high impact news. It's not good to be in this. We are in a negative on this if the EA will update. There we go. We're negative, but it's CAD. So again, the rules are to, if you're in a loss, to take it on the chin and get out while you can. A small loss is better than a full stop loss, so we're going to get out of that. That leaves us with nothing. So we have no open positions, and we've taken our first losses, which is a part of the game. It's not really fun, but what can we do? We just have to move on, and let's have a look for some new entries. So it looks like AUD CAD potential there for a short. In terms of a continuation trade, we've just sort of hit some volume, which isn't really required for that, but it's a good idea. But it's CAD, so we're not doing that. AUD CHF, we've just come out of that, so we'll just move on. Nope. Loss. Oh, yeah, okay. So we're starting to look like technically that we've crossed up here, we've got a cross here. I like my second comp to be a zero line cross, but yeah, we haven't hit volume here, but we've definitely hit volume there. But it's USD, so because of the FOMC tonight, we're not going to run with it. Probably not going to run with anything, but we'll see what we can see. No, nothing there. Just dancing on the baseline. You can see the space between all of these is tightening up. That usually indicates some consolidation. We're hanging around these again, consolidation, so nothing to see. In between my base crosses, got no real direction change confirmation here, so nothing. So this is a potential entry. We've got base cross. We've got both confirmations have changed their bias. Got a bit of volume on the WAE, but it's a USD cross, and we're not doing that. So I might put it on a watch list for tomorrow. Now tomorrow is tricky because it will be directly after, or a few hours after, the FOMC. So yeah, it might have been too volatile. We won't know how that's going to play out yet. And yeah, so here's the UJ I was talking about. Again, not bad, but the news is just keeping us out. So that's it for today, guys. I will see you again tomorrow.